So in this video I'm going to show you how to switch between multiple cameras in a Blender project. So here is the default view, move it a little bit up. Okay, so now this is the first camera as you can see it. Oh wait, I'm just going to make the default cube over there only. So this is the first camera, you can see its position. So now I'm going to add another camera, Shift A and go into camera. So you can see the camera 001 and now click Ctrl 0 to see the other camera. So you can see, so I'm going to bring it over here. So once you have decided, just click Ctrl Alt 0. So this is the second camera now, and I'm going to add another camera at this side. Shift A, another camera. Okay, so now click Ctrl 0 and then again 0 number pad 1. Now click Ctrl Alt 0 for the third camera's position. Ctrl Alt 0. So here you go, the three cameras as you can see them. So now we are going to do each one. First select the first camera and Ctrl 0. Now bring this a little up and over here click M. So you can see that F01 is there, and now select the camera whichever you want first and click Ctrl B. So here you can see camera is written. Now suppose I want my camera to change at 70 frame. Okay, so now first I'm going to select the other camera and Ctrl 0. Now I'm going to add another marker by clicking M and then Ctrl B while selecting the other camera. So you can see camera 1. Now the camera 0 is third camera. I'm gonna select it, Ctrl 0, move it to something like 1/40th frame and then Ctrl B. So let's check it out now. So now you can see it will change it. So you can see this, and it can add unlimited amount of cameras. It's not necessary only 3, and you can even add it along with the animations. Like if you want transmission between animations, I'm just gonna do one location and then I'm just going to add in a simple animation. Okay, so let's check it out. So let's see the animation. Now the camera will change and another camera will change. So hope you like this video. It's to the point only, and I would really like if you could subscribe and like.